COVID-19 SARS coronavirus 2. It's a newer sudden acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 disease, which is also known as coronavirus infectious disease 19. It's called coronavirus infectious disease 19 because the first case discovered in 2019. So the basic of this virus is a respiratory tract infection. It causes a respiratory tract infection with the newly recognized coronavirus. Second thing is that coronavirus thought to have originated as a zoonotic virus, that has mutated or otherwise adopted in a way that allowed human pathogenicity. Outbreak began in China, where its effect to date are most widespread. It has since spread to many other countries, and it has obviously declared by WHO to be pandemic on 11 March 2020. Illness range from severity from asymptomatic or mild to severe. A significant proportion of patients with clinically important infection develop severe disease. Mortality rate among diagnosed cases, case fatality is about 2 to 3%. True overall mortality is uncertain, as the total number of cases including undiagnosed person with milder illness is unknown. Means हम जो टोटल केस फैटेलिटी देखते हैं, तो जो नंबर ऑफ केस हैं उसमें कितने लोग की डेथ हुई, ओवरऑल मॉर्टेलिटी नहीं देख सकते हैं क्योंकि एसिम्प्टोमेटिक केसेस भी बहुत ज़्यादा हैं सोसाइटी में. एंड knowledge of this disease is incomplete and evolving. Moreover, coronavirus was known to mutate and recombine often, presenting an ongoing challenge to our understanding and to clinical management. So the classification: pathogen is a beta coronavirus, similar to agent of severe acute respiratory syndrome, and MERS, Middle East respiratory syndrome, classified as a member of species severe acute respiratory syndrome related coronavirus. The current coronavirus is designated as SARS coronavirus 2, severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. So this is a novel coronavirus. Coronavirus basically is it is an enveloped RNA virus and distributed broadly among humans and other mammals and birds. Cause respiratory, enteric, hepatic and neurological disease. There are 6 coronavirus species are known to human disease. 4 viruses, 22, 9E, OC43 and L63 HKU1 are prevalent and typically cause common cold symptom in immunocompetent individuals. The 2 other strains, severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus and Middle East respiratory syndrome coronavirus. The SARS and MERS coronavirus are zoonotic in origin and have been linked to sometimes fatal illness. SARS coronavirus, the causal agent of the severe acute respiratory syndrome outbreak in 2002 and 2003 in Guangdong province, China. And MERS coronavirus was pathogen responsible for severe respiratory disease outbreak in 2012 in Middle East. In December 2019, Wuhan in China, several local health facilities reported a cluster of patients with pneumonia of unknown cause that were epidemiologically linked to seafood and wet animal wholesale market in Wuhan, Hubei province, China. On December 31, 2019, the Chinese Center for Disease Control and Prevention dispatched a rapid response team to accompany Hubei province and Wuhan city health authorities and to conduct an epidemiological and ecological investigation. NEGM article report the result of this investigation, identify the source of pneumonia cluster. Viral diagnostic method: 4 lower respiratory tract sample including bronchoalveolar lavage fluid were collected from patients with pneumonia of unknown cause who were identified in Wuhan on December 21, 2019 or later, and who had been present at Nang seafood market close to the time of their clinical presentation. 7 bronchoalveolar lavage fluid specimens were collected from patients in Beijing hospital with pneumonia of known cause to severe as control sample. Sample was analyzed and these are the patient profile.